Today's video features a fascinating DIY engineering project where a creator builds a small working vehicle powered completely by compressed air. No fuel, no batteries, no wiring. Only simple mechanical parts, smart connections, and the power of air pressure. Let's break down how this entire setup works step by step so you can understand the science behind it. The most important part of this build is the pneumatic linear cylinder. Many people confuse it with a hydraulic cylinder, but this one works on compressed air, not hydraulic oil. The cylinder acts like the heart of the machine. When air pressure is applied inside the chamber, the internal piston moves forward and pushes the external rod outward. When the air pressure is released, the piston moves back. This back and forth motion creates mechanical energy strong enough to move an object. To make the cylinder work, the creator connects it to a hand-made air tank. The air tank is filled using a normal bicycle pump, the same pump you use for inflating bicycle tires. Inside the tank, the stored air becomes pressurized. Higher pressure means more force is generated when the cylinder activates. A simple pipe carries this compressed air from the tank to the cylinder. When the valve is open, pressurized air rushes into the cylinder, causing the piston rod to extend with powerful force. Now comes the smart part. The piston rod is linked to a lever mechanism that connects directly with the rear axle of the DIY vehicle. As soon as the piston extends, it pushes the lever, which turns the rear wheels and gives the vehicle its forward motion. It's the same principle used in old steam engines. Pressure pushing a piston, piston driving the wheels. When the air valve closes, the piston retracts again, preparing for the next cycle. The vehicle frame is made from welded metal rods, giving it stability and enough strength to support the pneumatic components. The front side has a simple steering system using a handle similar to a bicycle handle. This lets the vehicle turn left and right smoothly. On the back side, the creator attaches the air tank securely and positions the pneumatic cylinder so that its motion directly influences wheel rotation. The alignment is critical here. If the cylinder is not perfectly in line with the rear axle and lever, the power won't transfer properly. When the creator finally fills the air tank and opens the valve, you can see the entire mechanism come to life instantly. Pressurized air pushes the piston, the rod extends, the lever turns the axle, and the wheels begin to roll forward. It is a brilliant demonstration of how basic physics can be used to create motion without any electrical components. This project also shows how pneumatic systems can be used in creative ways for DIY locomotion. Pneumatics are known for their reliability, speed, and power. They're used in industrial machines, robotic arms, factory automation, and even in amusement park rides. But here, the creator has shown how a simple homemade system can replicate the same principles on a small scale. What's impressive is the smoothness of the motion. Even though the air tank is small, the cylinder delivers powerful bursts of energy because air compresses easily and releases forcefully. Once the air pressure drops, the vehicle slows down, which is expected. But the design shows how alternative propulsion systems can be built with affordable materials. Overall, this DIY build is a great example of creativity and engineering combined. It highlights how a pneumatic cylinder, an air tank, and a bit of mechanical linking can create a functioning air-powered vehicle. This project is not only fun to watch but also educational, showing how energy transformation works, from stored air pressure to mechanical motion. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always require expensive tools. Sometimes, all you need is air, a cylinder, and a great idea.